school bus. Wow! There's so many beautiful skins! Let's try them! Today is play day. Let's go make dolls and buy some yummy snacks. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Let's make a doll.
Welcome.
We want to make a doll and take it to the kindergarten.
No problem. Come with me.
Slide the scissors to cut out the shape. Let's sew it together. It is done! Next, let's decorate the doll. Finally, let's pack the doll. Aha! It's so beautiful! Thank you! I love it! Which pack? Tap to equip the magical item. Swipe up to collect coins in the air. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome! You can get a gift when you finish shopping. put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. I bought everything I want. Thank you. Uh-oh, there's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa, the sheep are gone. Let's go.
This is kindergarten.
Hey, kids, don't forget to put the toys away when you're done playing. Let's tidy them up together. Let's do it!
This one doesn't go there. Try again.
It's snack time. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack. None of you are picky eaters. You're good kids. School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now. Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye. Miss Maymay, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.
Check in for 7 days in a row to get lots of gifts. What's happening in the town? Let's go check it out. Police car. What else is there?